first big snowstorm. We've had a couple small ones, now we got a big one. Joni's out there somewhere with the dogs. Maybe if I stay here long enough, we'll catch her. And here they come in from the cold. What do you think, bud? Turn him loose. He doesn't look happy.
Whoa.
Hi, bud.
Look at her.
Oh, a little snowball.
Here, go run in the snow, Kara. Go. 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 Nope, she's gonna back right back up into her bag.
Did she do it?
Yeah, she backed right back up into it.
Turn Buddy loose. I don't think anybody's got any dogs out.
Go, come on, buddy.
Go play, bud.
Come on. Come on. Look at, come out here a minute. Come here a minute. Get
Kira,
a
come on
picture
and
of
romp
her.
in the snow. Kira, come on. Come on, Jake, go play. Go play. Yeah, I don't like this stuff. It's cold. Hey, what was that one? Bad dog, bud. There's my snow bunny.
Oh, here's my snow bunny.
Oh, we're waiting for the snow to get about a foot deep, and then we're going to let Kara go out and romp and play.
Okay.
I think those deer are frozen out there.
Well, make sure you get a picture of your snowblower here, Paul.
Ah, the snowblower. Soon to be able to use it. Ah! Bye.
Looking at the mess in here.
Blizzard of 2006. What do you think, bud?
Paul, can you get your blower over as far as the driveway?
Hold on. What do you think of this stuff, bud?
Okay, put him in now because he's getting wild.
Wild dog.
He's trying to pull my gloves off.
Kira.
Come on, Kira. Let's go.
Come on, Kira.
Come on, Kira. Come on, Kira.
Kira, snow dog.
Come on. Did you get her? Come on, Kira.
She can swim.
Come on. Over you go. There you go.
Storm of 2006, or they call it the Blizzard of 2006. The backyard. The picnic table. I was going to barbecue tonight, but I don't think so. So, I think we should play dog. I mean, can't even talk. Play stick with the dogs. Buddy, you want to play stick? This stick? Huh? How about you too, Kira? You want this stick? I don't know where Jake... Hey, wait a minute, bud. Alright, ready? Alright, let's go out here and play stick. This may be a one-time throw. Yeah. Hey, stop it. Buddy, no. Alright, let's see the pristine backyard. And it's... You ready, bud? Are you ready to play stick? You want this stick? Huh? Find it, bud. Get the stick. Come on. Get the stick. Buddy's finding playing stick in Colorado is difficult. Oh my gosh, he got it. Bring it here, bud. Come on. Bring it here. Okay, Kira. You want to get the stick? Huh? Come on, Kira. Buddy, what do you want? Huh? What do you want? Tell me. Find it. Come on, bud, find it. Get the stick. Come on. Kira, go help him. Go on, Kira. Get it, Kira. Jake, the snow dog. Oh, thanks, Jake.